ground realities. PKT Nambiar, also political analyst, is live with us. Sir, I'd like to ask you, yes, we are expecting, as many on the panel say, that Election Commission should come up with some strict guidelines, considering that the polls are happening as usual, considering that it's already too late to fully go virtual as far as campaigning and rallies are concerned. Do you also have your hopes as high as Kapil Madan has when it comes to some strict measures from the Election Commission, or do you think that whatever be the announcement, it's just going to be an eyewash?
There is no doubt that nobody will ever say that there should not be strict measures. We are all going through a crisis, and of course we also know that third wave is already in. But then you also need to understand, we have our election commission is one of the best in the world, and it has got one of the best experience even in the COVID, the major Delta wave two. The number of elections which it held, whether it is in Paschim Bengal and many other states, and it was, of course, there may be people you can say that it is because of the election there was so much of casualties happened, but then there are a lot of learnings in front of the election commission to do a better job this time around. Secondly, I also agree with the doctor that it is not as dangerous as it is it was in the second wave. So let's hope that elections are mandatory, because if you don't conduct an election, then there is an issue. And yes, I agree with that. The political parties altogether should come and take a pledge that maybe such a huge rallies of millions of people coming together without having any protocol is definitely dangerous. There are many other ways of doing it. BJP, for an example, was one of the first party to do a large number of virtual rallies during the pandemic times. I think it may not be feasible for doing virtual rallies all across. The people like us who sits in the Delhi or in the metro cities or in the B towns, the scenario is different. The people need to know the interior part of our different parts of the country. They are much more politically vibrant. They would like to go and listen to their, it's a celebration of our democracy. But then it is all together, I think the election commission, the political parties, the government, different government missionaries, and the health experts, they all should come together. We need to celebrate our democracy. We need to elect our new government. It has to be a
collective effort as far as the election commission, the political, the political parties, the politicos are concerned. It has to be a collective effort from all of them together. But really, on ground, are virtual rallies really possible? I agree with you. To catch 22, for really everyone, elections are necessary in a democracy. But at the same time, how do you do it safely is the big question, which we